Leave nothing for tomorrow that can be done today. If you don't let go of the wrong people, you'll never meet the right people. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. A nation that can't control its energy sources, can't control its future. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. Your past is a place to learn and grow, not a place to live. Always believe what is coming is better than what is gone. There will always be someone who doesn't see your worth. Don't let it be you. Nothing is permanent in this world, not even our troubles. The value of time becomes evidence. When it's gone, use it wisely. The moment you let go of your discipline is the moment you give up on yourself. Mistakes are stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Learn from them and move forward. Sometimes being alone is the best medicine for your soul. You cannot change the direction of the winds, but you can adjust your sails to reach your destination. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Our stories may be singular, but our destination is shared. Money can't buy happiness, but it can solve 99% of your problems. No one can give you better advice than yourself. Ability without honor is useless. Your true friends become apparent when you're at your lowest. Never tell anything to someone which could harm you. Worrying about losing is losing before you begin. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. Don't rush the process. Trust it. Great things take time. Forget what hurts you, but never forget what it taught you. The only person that cares about your hopes and dreams is you. The only person that is going to make them happen is you. A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. There are two types of pain, one that hurts you and the other that changes you. Nothing is more peaceful than a calm mind. Nothing is more beautiful than a kind heart. To achieve bigger, keep three things private at any cost. 1. Don't share your personal life with anyone. 2. Don't tell anyone your family issues. 3. Never tell anything to someone which could harm you. Today's pain is tomorrow's power. You can tell the greatness of a man by what makes him angry. You can't let your failure define you. You have to let your failures teach you. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level, and then beat you with experience. For your peace of mind, don't let people know too much about you. Sometimes we create our own heartbreaks through expectation. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. You cannot escape tomorrow's responsibility by evading it today. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness, bad days give experience, worst days give lessons, and best days give memories. Excuse make today easier but tomorrow harder. Discipline makes today hard but tomorrow easier. Life is too short to tolerate nonsense. Ignore negativity and gossip, and let go of fake people. A good life needs some bad days too. Change is not easy, but always possible. You can regret a lot of things, but you'll never regret being kind. If someone tells you you can't, they're showing you their limits, not your.